morning from some random campsite in South Australia. We're up. It's early. It's probably 7 o'clock. We've got all packed up and we are about to leave. Don't know, it's about 240 kilometres to our next destination, which I think is Port Pirie, so we might see you there.
Seafood and salad, Church of Fish and Chips, may not be open yet when you arrive.
Oh no, the Church of Fish and Chips is not open yet. It's 10:15 in the morning and they don't even have the fish and chips cooking yet. Another one of my things is being foiled. Damn it. Oh well, we'll go and see Port Pirie and see whether we can get Spiro to open up his Church of Fish and Chips for us, because I'm hungry. Okay, a little disappointed. We have arrived at the Church of Fish and Chips. And we're too early. It's 10:30. And the Church of Fish and Chips is not open. Pretty disappointed. I want to get a bit of spiritual fish and chips loving. But there it is. Prayers answered. Home delivery. Looking forward to a good feed of fish and chips from the Church of Fish and Chips, but we will have to wait. Damn it. It is about to pour. Look at it. It's coming straight at us. Look at this windmill. This, with my superior knowledge of windmills now, I think that one's broken. It's been so winded that it's bent. Oh. Now we have arrived in a place called Snowtown, and I don't know what to class this one, because is it a big thing or not? It is big, but it's the normal size. So here we go. It is the big blade. This is one of the windmill blades, wind farm blades. And it's here in Snowtown. Showing all the details of wind farms. As you may have seen, there was a lot of like windmills along the way. That's what you call them, not sure. Now another thing that this town is known for is they had a big murder here. It was 8 people were found in the bank, wherever the bank is, and these 8 people were murdered and put in barrels of acid and left in the bank. That was back in 1999 that happened. So this is the town, Snowtown. And I believe there's actually a movie of it. So when I get home, I might watch that movie. Be interesting to find out where this bank was. Whether it was this, it might be this place. It says Snowtown Soldiers Memorial. Or the bank, it could be that one on the corner. That looks very bankish. Anyway, I'll find out. So yes, I can confirm that this building on the corner is where the bodies in the barrels was. The 8 murders and the 8 people that were put in barrels of acid back in 1999. And here it is, just here. This one on the corner. That building right there. This one here. Interesting, you'll be able to watch it. It's called, the movie's called Snowtown, and it's about that. So if you did want to watch it, that there is the building. Okay, we move on. Let's, I think we might go and see a pink lake. Let's go and do that.
You have arrived.
Okay, we are at another place, another pink lake. Alright, but this one's a little bit special because this one has a big thing in it. Big stuff! This is called Lake Bumbunga. Pretty close to Adelaide, but the Loch Ness Monster is in the middle of this pink lake. Now, I'm not going to walk out there because when we were walking in, someone said that they tried, and with all the rain, it is very muddy and you'll sink down. So I think I'll just send the drone out there to have a look. Well, there we go. Lake Bumbunga and the Loch Eel. That's what it's called, because this place is called Loch Eel. The town is called. So only fitting to have Loch Eel out there in their lake. Okay, I think we will move on to something different. Welcome to Adelaide. Woo! welcome again from Adelaide, and as you can see, we wimped out. We've got a hotel room because it is pouring and it's freezing, and we just thought, no. So we've left the camper trailer at the caravan park, and we've come down to stay in Adelaide for one night, so we can have a real shower, we can sleep in a real bed, and we can maybe go to the casino, you know, and I can have a few beers and I don't need to drive home. So that is the plan for today. Then tomorrow we will go back and we'll spend the night there, then take off the next day. So we'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. One more go.